In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable suggestions in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through every step. So, first things first, get ready to log into your Trello account. Open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, enter your login details and access your account. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon or initials. Click on that to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the option that says Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your account settings. Once you're on the Settings page, it's time to scroll down a bit. You'll want to go through your account preferences until you reach the section labeled Suggestions. This is where all the magic happens concerning enabling or disabling those helpful hints that Trello offers. Now, as you find this section, let's discuss what you can do here. If you find the suggestion prompts a bit distracting or simply don't want them popping up while you're working, you can easily disable them. Look for the option that says Disable Suggestions and click on that. You'll notice that the change takes place immediately. After you do this, you won't see those automated recommendations anymore. This can help create a cleaner workspace if you're already familiar with using Trello. On the other hand, if you're new to the platform or just want some helpful tips along the way, you can turn those suggestions back on. To enable this feature, simply return to the same section in your settings where you found the Disable Suggestions option. There, you'll toggle the setting back on, and just like that, you're ready to receive those helpful suggestions again. Isn't that easy? Adjusting your suggestion settings in Trello can really enhance your productivity, depending on your individual needs. Whether you prefer a simplified experience without prompts, or you're looking to grasp all the tips and tricks, you've got the tools at your fingertips to customize your experience. Now, just to recap, to access these settings, you log into your Trello account, click on your profile icon in the top left corner, then select Settings. Scroll down to find the Suggestions section, and from there, you can choose to enable or disable the suggestions with just a couple of clicks. That was a lot of information, but I hope it's been clear and straightforward. Remember, customizing your Trello workspace can not only make it more comfortable for you, but also boost your overall productivity. Thanks for watching today's video on how to enable or disable suggestions in Trello. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Trello experience. Happy organizing, and see you next time.